Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be just making a random account. I don't know why, but yes, we'll just be making a random account and making good cool outfits and stuff. So yes, let's get on with the video. Ayo. Start by selecting girl or boy. I'm gonna choose a girl, of course. I'm gonna make it a bit more darker. Sorry about the background noise again. I'm gonna make, wait, I just wanna know how this looks like. I don't, of course I'm not gonna wear it, but I just wanna know how it looks like. I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna make the brown of it black. That would look pretty, right? Yes, that looks gorgeous. Now I'm definitely gonna change the color of the lips, and I'm gonna change it to this, like, yes, that's honestly the queen. Okay, no, the queen is Billie Eilish, but yes. And I've never really used this hair, so like, should I use this? Should I use it, or should I use like this? I'm gonna see first how this looks like. Should I make it black? Like, look at this. Or should I make it blonde? This, I don't know. I've never done this hair. How would it look like if I added this blonde? Is that blonde, or is that just like complete yellow? Blonde. Wait, nah. Why not we just do like a whole Billie look? Should we just do a whole Billie look, just like being Billie Eilish on MSP? Dressing up like Billie Eilish on MSP. Yes, I am so doing that. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Okay, sorry, I'm weird. Which one should we pick? Which would Billie wear? Okay, she would definitely wear this. Out of all that, she would wear this. I'm gonna do that white. No, that's not white, that's gray. White. And then that, like, green. That's good, I like that. Okay, so let's get on to the next step. I'm using this, even though it's not my favorite, but I will. I'm gonna be taking the green. Yes, wait. Plus me, I guess. Okay, so I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. She would definitely, out of all of this, she would definitely wear this. I'm just gonna make it probably green, because that's the thing that she wears a lot. This is honestly amazing. So, I'm gonna make it as Bills. See how that will look. Ooh, now I know. Wait, can I just like take off that? Yay, okay, that worked good. Now, we will be doing, what's the pass? So I just did the pass right now. Wait, I'm doing the pass right now. I'm gonna tell you what the pass is right now, okay? But you guys won't remember it, so honestly, don't even care. Okay, but a little one. It's in a different language. Like, what can I say? Username is already used. Wow. Don't do me like that. Okay, yay. I am not a robot MSP, okay? Just like IPNU. Wait, what? I wasn't even typing anything. I'm so weird, okay? Just, you gotta get used to that for watching my videos. And that reminds me, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Because, like, I'm still poor on YouTube. Like, while you do this to me, all you can do is click a button. So free. Skip. Oh my god. Earn star coins and fame here. Have fun, Bills. By the way, I'm Pixie Star. I can show you around. Let's be friends. Okay, so, wow. I'm just gonna be opening all the gifts. Tell me what you guys like better, MSP 2 or MSP Beta 2, or, wait a minute, I just got an idea. Do you guys want to show me how to use the website of going to, like, an old MSP, like, a long time ago, like 2013, 2010 MSP? Do you guys want to go back to 2010 MSP? There's this website where you can. I'm actually going to do that now. I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm going to have the... I remember when I was, like, such a noob on MSP. This, like, I remember I used to, like, love this red thing. I'm gonna... Do you guys have, do you guys have TikTok? Comment down below your username. Comment down below if you do have TikTok. MSP, I am waiting for my 200 coins. Where's my 200 coins? Wow, this is a scam. Okay, so, I'm just gonna show you the website. Wait, I forgot what it's called. I just need to search it up. So right now I'm logging into the web. It's technically like this website. Oh my god. Yes, it's this website. Okay. This was 2010. That's crazy. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna press the X. That's so weird. Oh my. Okay, now the website, I'm just gonna put it down below in the description for you guys to, like, if you guys want to go on it. It's crazy. But yeah, let's start to get on with the video. Okay, so, I'm so mad that we don't have our 200 coins. Yes! What's your favorite TikToker? Of course, mine's Avani. Like, I actually don't like, no, my favorite's definitely not Charlie. Definitely not Charlie. I don't know why, but it's not. Okay, so yes. Why don't we make this like the most newest account in the world? Let's not make it good. Just make it horrible. Like, the most ugliest thing ever. Yes. On accessories. Yes. Let's do something so cringy. Oh my god. Yes. And let's prank some movie stars. Yes. Let's change what we're doing today. Is it just me, or honestly, when I start a video, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, hey, I'm gonna make a YouTube video. Then I'm just like, wait, what am I gonna do? I actually do not really prepare. I have 5 more minutes left because I only have 15 minutes to film. If you have a better website than what I'm using right now, Screencast-O-Matic, tell me. Okay, I'm gonna do something so cringy. Pretty girly. I don't know why. I would say single as a Pringle, but it wouldn't let us. I've tried before. Oh yes! Star coins. Starry coins. I mean, I'm so weird. Okay, so oh my god, yes. Let's prank them. Let's say hi. Let's say hi. Hi. I'm whatever. I'm 29. Yes. You old. Hi, I'm 29 years old. Yes. Excuse me. Wait, I'm gonna say poo. Wait. Ugly. Poo. Ugly. Poo. They're not letting us say poo. Wow. Poo. Ugly. Will they say ugly? Ugly. So this video will absolutely be boring, but let's just make, let's do something so cringy. Yes, I got the best idea in the world. Wait, no. Let's buy this. Wow, so cringy. Not cringy, but like so, like, so, ouch. Ouchie. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. By the way, go subscribe to my friend at school, her YouTube channel. I haven't told her I actually have a YouTube channel because, coronavirus, and I don't know what's her Instagram. So yeah, what have I made? Oh my god. Okay, so honestly, wait. Mia Basila. That's our YouTube channel. If you don't know her, go subscribe right now. Oh my god, this is honestly, yay, this honestly actually looks like her. Loki, amazing. Should I just go on my account? Yeah, I'm just gonna go on my original account because I don't feel like doing whatever I'm doing today. Today is like a random video. Which I cannot explain what I'm doing. I'm just having fun. But I only have 1 more minute left. I'm just gonna hurry. Recording. Oh my god, I'm gonna tell this girl, recording. Say hi to YouTube. By the way, happy Ramadan to y'all. Yes, recording. Say hi to YouTube. I'm gonna go check out my messages. Yay, I've gotten a gift. Gummy bears. KK. Whatever. Yes, let's go check it. Oh my god. Okay, bye guys, because it's about to end.